is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I have something really exciting. I don't really see anybody kind of doing this at all. I haven't seen this type of tutorial at all. I think it's going to be really helpful for some of you guys. If you guys have a service, if you guys are building websites or have any type of digital agency of that sort, this is kind of how you can get clients. This is how you can get clients almost for free for the first 2 weeks. So what it is it's a combo here. I got a little combo piece. It's Keep by Infusionsoft. I have a link in the bio for a 14-day trial. So it should be right down there. And Google Ads. So Google Ads should give you, I think it's like $100 free ad spend. And this is a 14-day trial too. So together, you have 2 weeks of free clients if you just get this right. And I don't see how you couldn't get it right. So first step is getting the Keep trial. This is the link that I'll have in the description. You don't really have to see the demo because I'm going to run it through. So you just start free trial right here. And you don't need a credit card, nothing like that. Just zoom right through it and get it done. All right, we'll put that back. So this is what you're going to get as soon as you get Keep by Infusionsoft. Basically, it's pretty basic. Contacts, messages, tasks, appointments. I suggest you go on your phone after this entire thing. Get on your phone and set up messages. It'll give you a free phone number. So if any of the leads come in, they can call you there, and you will be able to tell on your cell phone that it's a lead from Keep. Instead of just answering your phone like hello, it'll be like, hey, this is blank at blank business. I'm totally not in my living room right now. This is totally a big company. So that's pretty cool. I would set that up totally. But where the magic is here is 2 things: the appointments. So set up the appointments here. Super easy to set up. Just click on appointments. It'll run you through it in like 5 minutes, or probably like 5 seconds, honestly. But the kicker is the campaigns. The kicker. This is how we're going to start this thing up. So you see I have one set up right here just to test it out and make sure everything went right before I spent a whole bunch of time making the video. I've done that before. So we're going to build our own campaign right here. We're going to say test campaign for YouTube. Let's make a new category. Test. Add that as the category. Okay, so this thing is super powerful. This is barely scratching the surface of what this thing can actually do. It's like really barely scratching the surface, but the impact is huge. What we're going to do is we're going to get a landing page. We're going to pop that in there. So now we have a landing page. Let's go ahead and get a sequence going. These sequences have more of these little tools. So we're going to drag that over here. So once the landing page is complete, it'll start this sequence. So what we'll do is we want a task set to ourselves. Need to call the lead. Tell me to call the lead. We go in here, we say it's a call. We're going to call this guy. We scroll down. This is the merge tab here. So we're going to be collecting their first name. We'll put a space here. Don't forget the space. You're going to confuse yourself. We'll put a space right there. We'll put the email, the little space right there, and phone 1. Assign to myself. We'll say days until due. You got 1 day, buddy. You got 1 day, and the priority is critical to follow up with this guy. Yeah, we'll even make a pop-up reminder. I'll do 8 hours before the due date. So we'll make that ready. Remember to click ready. We'll go back, we see it's all green, that's good. So we're gonna put this into ready mode as well, and we'll give it a name. Make myself a task. Cool. And we're also going to give them an email confirmation too, so that it looks official. We go in here, confirmation email. So they'll get an email from you. Email 1. Thank you for setting up a time. Cool. There we go. All right. For some reason, when I clicked ready, it all came up. So easy as that. It'll pop in your company name, the one that you set it up with. It'll put all your information right there, and you're off to the races. So don't forget to make that ready too. And bada bing. Pretty cool. So, all right, this is going to take a little bit of time. We're going to go to the landing page here. We're going to set this thing up. We'll do this one. Give it a shot here. Okay. So, easy. You can go ahead and click this. Or, oh, we got to use this template first. Sparkling water. It's good for you. You should drink it. Okay. Test landing page for YouTube. Cool. All right. So simple WYSIWYG editor. It's not extremely powerful, but it gets the job done. So just as an example here, we want to put, you know, a real review here. Take that, get rid of it. I love this guy. I love this Gutty. All right, there we go. Set that up. And you can put the phone number that you actually got from Keep, you can put it in here too. So you can change that as well. All right. You know, you can edit everything here. I mean, I'm not going to spend the time to completely edit this entire thing because that'd just kind of be pointless. But this is important. This part right here is very important. The form itself. Redirect options. So, we either want it to go to a thank you page or a link to a URL. Why would we want it to go to a link to a URL? Because we can put a time scheduler there. So let me get my time scheduler link. If we want to get our link, we can use this. This is kind of how I've been doing it. I know there's a better way, but this is kind of a lot easier for me, a lot faster for me. I take that link, I go back to here, and I'll say link to a URL. Cool. It's right there. Easy as pie. So what that does, let me explain it. Let me go back a little bit. You sold somebody here to give you your first name, last name, email, and phone number. Perfect. Now, the next step is they're going to go to your time to schedule. If they don't schedule a time, you know, it's a commitment. If they don't schedule a time, then you still have all that information and you're going to follow up with them anyway because of how that Keep campaign is set up. So we're going to go to next step here. Cool. We're going to click go live, and now we have a URL that we can use. Now we're going to take that URL. We're going to go to ads.google.com. Let me go to a incognito tab so that you can see what it kind of looks like in the beginning. All right. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to press start now. It's going to run you through a few things. See if there is any type of promo codes. Maybe even go to type in display ads. No, all right. Free credit. Google Ads, free credit. Match up to the amount you spend up to $150. Cool. So use this link ads.google.com/international/ind_us/IP/coupons. Get that coupon. They're going to match up to $150 if you sign up. So you're going to need it anyway if you want to do this type of stuff. I already have one set up for this. So what's going to happen is they're going to make you a smart campaign. There it is right there. So this is the campaign that it makes you yourself. And as soon as it makes that campaign, it's going to ask you, first tagline, second tagline, third tagline. As soon as it says pending right here, take that button and pause it, because you're not going to use that. That is crap. That smart campaign you don't want to use it. I can go into more detail in a different video. Subscribe if you're interested into that, but it's going to be way too in-depth right now. So instead of using the smart campaign, we're going to use advanced campaigns. They're really not that advanced. It's extremely easy to do. All right, so what you want to do is you go to all campaigns here, click new campaign. Now this new campaign is going to bring you here, and what you want, you think you want leads, but you don't want leads, you want website traffic for now. And then you're going to click search, because we want people to Google us. And we're going to type in the business website. The business website is this website that you just got, the URL that you just made right here. We're going to take that and we're going to put it right here. We're going to press continue. Name it whatever you remember. We don't want search, or no, we don't want display network. Don't put it on display network. Keep search network. Now, English is fine. If you put something else in there, if you speak more languages. Average spend every day, I would not go under $13. Okay? So we'll put 15 here for this. What we want is clicks. I'm going to scroll down here, just save and continue. Forget all that stuff. Perfect. Now this is your ad group name. This is where you're going to pick out your products and what people are going to be Googling when your website pops up. So I'm not going to give you mine. I'm just going to type in some and see if it sticks. Let's see. Website design. Now, you don't want to pick ones like, here, I'll show you. So, how to design a website. We don't want that one. We never want that one, because people who want to know how to design a website are not going to buy your web design. So, maybe web page design. Let's do this here. We'll click that one. Small business web design, business web design, corporate web design services, website design services, web page design, web development company, and yada, yada, yada. Just make sure that you're not clicking on things like how to design a website if you're designing the website, because you're going to waste clicks, and that's wasted money. So save and continue here. We're going to make our headline. Let's say test. This is a YouTube test. Mess around with your own headlines. I'm not going to give you any headline secrets right now. I can get more into depth about that too. If that's something you guys just put in the comments section below, I'll show you guys some cool headlines. But right now, I'm not going to spend hours on end thinking about headlines. Description. Cool. Save and continue. And you're off to the races. Cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and disable this, because I just did that to show you guys what to do, but I made one yesterday. To show you guys what's happening here. So what happened yesterday is I got 5 clicks and 97 impressions with an average cost per click for $1.66. Boy, $1.66. And I'm just messing around. So this is the status is eligible and it's learning, so it's not going to give me as much traffic as it would if it was kind of approved, because a lot of people make ads that are junk, and to make Google, you know, the best, and for Google to stay on the top of the search engines, they don't allow crappy ads. So you might even get disabled if your ad is, if your ad is horrible. And that's the truth. It's happened to me. It's happened to us all. We don't want to admit it, but it happens. So, yeah, this is kind of an easy, fast way to get clients. I'd say setup time probably 3 or 4 hours. Go ahead and mess around with your landing page is going to be key. So you go to campaigns, and you make a landing page. This is for web design here. I'm just running this just to give you guys an example. I'm probably going to take this down today. And go to reports, landing page. Next step. Oh crap, design. Right here. Pretty cool. What I would do if I was serious about keeping this up is I would put a video up here. I'd make a short little video about what I do, how I make it, why I'm the best, why you want to buy a site from me. Put it right up there. But yeah, that's how you do it. You got $150 matched by Google. You got 14 days free with Keep. All the links will be in the description. Let me know if you guys catch anything. And subscribe also, because we're going to have content like this all the time. I think the next video, I'll show you guys how to do this a little bit more expensive and a little bit more in depth if this gets a lot of feedback.